In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the in-depth steps that you need to follow to create this gorgeous, super fashionable matte nude lip. So the first thing we want to do is try and remove some of the natural colour from our lip. So I'm doing that by just dusting a little bit of my foundation over the top. This is just to take out that kind of natural pinky tone. Now, if your lips are particularly dry or your client's lips are particularly dry, I would definitely recommend that you exfoliate them first before doing that step. So next I'm taking a nude lip liner, something that is matte, and I am going around the edge of the lip and lining it, and I'm colouring the entire lip in with this product. This will give our lipstick something to stick to, and it starts creating that matte effect. We want this to be as close to a sort of nude colour as possible. Next, I'm taking my matte lipstick. Again, this is a lovely, nice nude tone. I will link all of the products below for you. And we're just painting that all over the lip. And because we've got our lip liner down, it's going to really intensify that colour. So it's kind of flattening the colour, really emphasising the matte element. You can see I'm brushing that along the top and the bottom of my lip. Once that's covered, I then take a tiny little bit of my foundation, now still on that same lip brush, and I'm just placing that down in the middle, and this adds a little bit of dimension. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can just stick to the solid colour, but I like to make the centre of my lip a little bit lighter, so I'm using that foundation colour to bring that lightness back into the centre. Now, with a little bit of translucent powder, I'm just placing this over the top of the lipstick to really mattify it, so to just take away any moisture and to really flatten it. And you'll notice how I'm doing that on a very soft diffused brush. Now, you can stop at this stage if you're happy with your matte lip. Again, I like to add a little bit more dimension to the lip. So at this stage, I would pick up a small angle brush or a small lip brush, and I would actually pick up a brow powder. So I'm not using a pencil now because, again, I don't want to add moisture to this lip. I've just taken all that moisture out to get it as matte as possible. So I'm using a brow powder, and remember, we've set our lip with a translucent powder, so this is going to blend in seamlessly. And I'm just taking that, again, this is a nice brown kind of nudie shade, and the great thing with brow products is they tend to be a little bit more flat and ashy than lip liners. I'm putting it along the edges of the lip, and then I'm just bringing it along inside, so I'm shading in, so I'm kind of contouring the lip, keeping the centre nice and light, but bringing definition around the edges. I'm not lining my lip completely with this powder because that will make it quite dark. I'm just using it on the outer corners, and then I'm blending it across. The great thing with this trick is that you can build it up bit by bit, so you can get to the level of depth that you want. And here we have our perfectly matte nude lip. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe for future videos.